everyone, I'm really Manaris Tulud of Base IT 2B. Today, I will teach you how to create a data model using Excel. So, the first step we need to do is to select the Excel on our desktop, then create a blank workbook. In this part, we need to create a table and put data on it. Just select the Insert tab and choose the table. Once you've done creating the table, it will appear on the upper side of the word column 1. So just replace it with your desired name on your table. As of mine, I put these headers on my tables. And do this repeatedly until you're done creating your table sheet on your workbook. Just like what I've done here. As you can see in the lower part, you can see that the names of my sheets are table classes, which is TBL stands for the table, TBL grade, and so on. I used these names so that it would be easier for us to recognize each table once we pivot it. So as for you guys, it's up to you if what name you would like to put in this area. In my class table, I put this data. Then in the following data, in students, and so on. It's up to you guys if what data you want to put in your tables. Once you've done creating your tables, save it and close the file. The next step is that we need to open another blank workbook. Once your Excel doesn't have a Power Pivot tab in this area, let's go to the file first and select options. Then choose add ends, then select comb add ends and press go. Then select Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and press OK. Next, choose the Power Pivot tab and select the Manage Data Model tab. Then select the Get External Data. Then select from the Other Sources tab and scroll down. Then select Excel file and press Next. Then click Browse and find your Excel file where you save it. In my case, I save it on the desktop, so I visit the desktop and scroll down. Then select the student information file and I open it. Next is click Next and select all these tables and press Finish. After that, once this appears, it just means you already imported your data. So just click Close. After that, this window will appear. If you take a look at this side, you can see the data view and diagram view. This one is the data view. Let's just visit the diagram view later to avoid confusion. As you can see, the header is F1 and F2 and so on. To rename it, just double click it and rename it again according to the name of your tables, just like what I've done. The next step is to click the Pivot table. After clicking the Pivot table, this window will appear. So in this part, just check these tables and it's up to you if what data you want to display. You can decide if the data will be in rows, columns, or you need to get the sum of the numbers. So just press the information you want to display in these areas and edit in this part if what design you want to have. As on my pivot table, I just display this information. Next, we go to Diagram View tab and this data will be displayed. So from the word diagram, we can no longer ask why this window looks like that. Next step, we go to a Design tab in the Power Pivot tab and select to create relationships. So just select tables you want to connect to your other table, just like what I've done here. I choose table students to connect in table classes. So if you want to add another relationship, just go to the Manage Relationship tab and click Create. Just like what I've done here. I connect the table students to table classes. Next is I connect the table students to table grades. And lastly, I connect the table semesters to table classes. If you want to edit the relationships of your tables, just click Edit. Or delete a relationship, click Delete. So this is the appearance of my data model using Excel. Just always remember guys, when you create a data model, it's up to you if what kind of data model you want to have and what relationships between your tables you want to create. I hope I have helped you guys by creating this video tutorial. Until next time!